Welcome back, friends. We are learning object-oriented programming with Java, and here in this lecture, we're going to learn one of the key concepts that is called inheritance. So let's start. Theoretically, inheritance is a method by which a child class or derived class can inherit or reuse the methods and fields of a parent class. It is a simple hierarchical model that we use between the classes to derive different objects and offer various functionalities. A child may inherit different features and functionalities by either modifying, adding certain things, or removing certain features from the parent class. There is a typical example here. There could be classes regarding shapes. So the shape class would be parent of all the classes. Triangle could be derived from the shape. Quadrilateral could be similarly derived from the shape. Right angle triangle is a kind of triangle, which is a child class of triangle class. Similarly, rectangle is a child of quadrilateral and the square is a child of rectangle. So this is a hierarchy and this hierarchy is followed by inheritance. When we move up to a level or generalization or towards the parent class or base class, it is called cast up of inheritance. And when we move downward, it is a specialization or moving to the derived or child class. So here our parent class shape has two different methods called draw and erase, which has certain generalized features or specifications or simply a variable definition or declaration. With each derived or child class, like circle, square, and triangle, we have the same function, same method inherited with little modifications regarding behavior of different child classes. So here is an example of inheritance, how it has been done. So we have a base class called employee having certain features, and we have a derived or child class called coder. The format of writing this inheritance is as we need to use the keyword extends, extends. So we need to first write the name of the child class. Here is coder is a child class which extends from employee class. Employee is the base class. So this is the format of writing this thing. And rest everything goes fine. Here we have created an object called C for the coder class, and we can access the variables or different methods of the employee as well as coder class using the same object. An object from child could be used to access public or protected variables of the base class. So here are types of inheritance that could be found in different programming languages. We have a single inheritance when there is a single superclass and single derived class. We have hierarchical inheritance when there is one parent and multiple child inheriting from the same single parent. We have multi-level inheritance where an inheritance in the form of grandmother, mother, and daughter. We have three generations or more generations, each one inheriting from the preceding generation. Then we have hybrid inheritance, a combination of single hierarchical and multi-level inheritances. Then we have a multiple inheritance where there could be multiple base class or superclasses, which may be not possible in Java these days. However, it is supported by languages like C++ and more. To avoid various conflicts, we don't support multiple inheritance. So how we can write a single inheritance? This is a program for single inheritance. Here we have an animal class. We have the dog class, which is a derived from animal. So this is a simple format of writing single inheritance. We need to write extends keyword once. Then we have multi-level inheritance, where we have one base class which has a derived class, and this derived class is the base class of another derived class. Animal class is the parent of dog class, and dog class is parent of baby dog class. So this is We can create objects of different things. And similarly, we have hierarchical inheritance where we have two child classes and one base class, parent class. Multiple inheritance is not supported in Java to avoid simple conflicts. Suppose there's two parent classes and both parent class has a common child class or derived class. Both parent class have the same method with same name but with different definition, and the child class object calls a method of a parent class. So there is a confusion or ambiguity regarding which method of which class has been called. So that's for the reason Java does not support multiple inheritance. However, you can use the features of multiple classes using multi-level inheritance. So this is about inheritance. We can use inheritance to draw big scenarios. We can build different kind of solutions using inheritance. It is a powerful tool, and we can perform inheritance between different programs and different files. Try building your own solution. Till then, keep learning and keep moving ahead.